Hello YouTube, today I am going to show you how to decrease your 4K video size just in minutes. Yes, just in minutes. You can see here I have two same files. Here you can see I have two same files, same quality and same length, but the size is very different. You can see here first video have 2.83 gigabytes and second video only in megabytes. Okay, watch this video till the end. I will tell you how to do this. Get started. Now drag and drop your file into the software, and now here we can change some settings. First of all, format, it's MP4 is the best format. Check this web, optimize it, and here is okay, and video code is 264 is the best, and frame rate is 30. Check this box and don't touch anything now. Okay, now give the output folder path. And save. Now click start encode. You can see here encoding is start. It is take little bit long time because this software encode your video 4K video into small size. Remember, you don't lose your video quality. It is just decrease video size. If you have slow internet connection, this is very useful trick for you. So don't skip. Watch till the end. Download this software, check the video description. I will give you the software link in video description. This software is specially for YouTubers who have slow internet connection. So waiting for encoding video. Here is some option. When done, do nothing and shut down, sleep, hibernate, lock system and other things. Okay, video encoding is finished. Now check. Original video is 2.83 gigabytes, and after encoding we have 17 megabytes MBs only. I hope you enjoying this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon also. Thank you.